Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we draw alphabet. Now we draw the letter of A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. C for cat, C for cow. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg. The next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. And the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. Now we draw 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we draw the shape of triangle. And the next one is heart. Now we draw the shape of star. Kids, today we draw 2D shapes. First we use the color of black. Now we use black color. The shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle, and now we use the color of red. Now we use the color of red. The shape of circle. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we use yellow color. Now we draw the shape of triangle. The next one is heart. Now we draw the shape of heart. Now we use blue color. Kids, now we draw the shape of heart. The next one is star. Now we use the color of green. Kids, now we draw the shape of star. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.